Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty subscription box for August and it is Lookfantastic. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious to see what's inside the August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So the Lookfantastic beauty box is a monthly beauty subscription that ships worldwide. Inside you'll find 6 beauty treats and it has a minimum value of £15 a month. A roll-in monthly subscription, which you can cancel any month, costs £15, but you've got the option to take out a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. For instance, if you take out a 12-month subscription, then you'll be paying £13 a month. This video was kindly sponsored by Lookfantastic and they send their boxes out to me a little bit early, so I'm able to film it and share with you, so then you get to see whether you think the box is for you or not. The July box is sold out. If you're watching this and you subscribe before the 1st of August, then you'll be sent out the Wellness Edit, which is a previous monthly beauty box, and then within the first week or so of August you'll be receiving this box. But if you're interested in subscribing to receive this box, then wait until the 1st onwards and then you'll be fine. I have been given a code to share with you, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, and that will bring the box down from £15 to £12. I'll pop the code down below in my description. I'll pop a link to the beauty box down in my subscription. Plus you see all of Lookfantastic's offers. They've got new limited edition beauty boxes and things like that. You'll see it all down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away, but let's get on to showing you then what's inside their August box. Inside you find a little card. It has a QR code there. When you scan this, it'll open up on your phone a Lookfantastic magazine. In there it tells you everything about the products listed in the box, plus it gives you sneak peeks and what you might receive the following month. So as soon as I find out, I will pop it in my pinned post where I've got the timestamp. I'll pop it there. Little taster. What is this? This is the first time I'm seeing this. Oh, look, I'll do this first then. It looks like a mirror. You've got a little pouch. Love a colour. Purple is my favourite colour. I used to have a pack of tarot cards and they used to be wrapped up in a silk purple scarf. And I don't know where they are. How bad is that? Oh, it's actual purple mirror as well. The case is purple. Woo! Double-sided mirror. There, you're just going to see my window and my camera. But yeah, so you got a double-sided mirror there. I have got quite a few of these, but I do really like them. They're just handy to keep in my handbag, especially if I'm going away or something like that. And I use these little pouches to put my jewellery in. So it's just like an essential travel item for me. So we've got a mirror. Then we got from Glow Hub. This is a buff blush. A glow up colour sticks. It's a makeup product in Pinched. I don't think we've had any makeup before from Glow Hub. I think we've just received skincare. Or have we received anything from Glow Hub in a Lookfantastic box from before? I don't know. Right. Design is super, super cute. Look at that. There. Okay, let's try it on my hand. I've just put loads. Let's try and blend some of that out so you can see. Oh, that's lovely. What's it look like? What's it look like? That's really pretty. You have got a bit of a glow there. It's not shimmery. It's just a natural dewiness to the skin. It's just, hopefully you'll be able to tell. Can you? On the camera there. That is unblended and this is just blended out. Let's add a little bit more to see how we can intensify the colour a bit. See how buildable it is. There. Yeah, I love that. That is really pretty. It's a pinky peach. So not too pink and not too peach, if that makes sense. No, that's perfect for me. I really, really like that. I like the colour. Super blendable flush of diffused colour with skincare benefits. Made for cheeks and lips. It contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E as well. So it's a buff blush and glow up colour stick by Glow Hub in shade Pinched. Then we've got Rituals. This is the Ritual of Karma, and this is a Hydro Boost Complex 48-hour hydrating body cream, lotus flower and white tea, and 70 mils here. This has a gorgeous scent. I love the Ritual of Karma. I love the Ritual of Sakura. Oh my gosh. Ritual of Karma is one of my favourites. It's lovely. So yeah, it's a nice scented body cream there. Oh, I can't describe it. How can I describe it to you? Rich moisturising body cream with lotus flower and white tea. Yeah, I don't know whether Ritual of Sakura or this one is my favourite. Or Ritual of Ayurveda as well. Oh my gosh, no, I don't know. I'd have to put them all in a line and then choose. But this is really, really nice. It's quite fresh. It's almost marine-like. This is coming from someone who can't describe perfumes whatsoever. But no, it's just a gorgeous smell. I love it. I love Rituals anyway. Next, we've got something for your hair. This is by Chris Appleton and Colour Wow. And this is Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. And there's 50 mils here. I have yet to try anything from the Money range before. So I'm excited to give this a go. Colour Wow is a really great brand as it is. But yeah, the secret behind Chris Appleton's expensive looking styles. Money Mask is his one-step prep for super healthy looking glossy luxe texture. Infuses hair with marine actives and hydrate and renew elasticity. No heavy emollients or waxes that weigh hair down and leave it dull looking. Leave hair smooth, supple and super glossy. Perfect for all hair types, and it is vegan. You're supposed to wash your hair and then apply it to your hair. Leave for about 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse, and it says you can use it once a week or every 3 washes as needed. No point me squirting this on my hand because it's for my hair, but I just want to smell it. Yeah, that is lovely. It just reminds me of being on a beach when I was younger with like SPF for my skin. Whatever I used back in the day. I can't remember. But anyway, we got a hair mask by Colour Wow and Chris Appleton. Next, we've got a moisturiser. This is by Aveeno. This is Calm and Restore for sensitive skin. It's an oat gel moisturiser. Fragrance free, instantly smooths and replenishes skin's moisture barrier for normal to dry skin. There's 50 mils here. Aveeno do gorgeous skincare. Their body creams are really, really beautiful. And we've got a moisturiser here. That's what it looks like. Oh, look. Let's just put a little bit. Where can I put it? Just put it on top, not on top of the blush, but on the area where I haven't applied anything. Up there, look. Feels really lovely on my skin. Yeah, really, really nice. Does it smell? No scent whatsoever. It's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, tested on sensitive skin, it's fast absorbing. It contains prebiotic oat, known to help soothe and repair skin by restoring the skin's moisture barrier, and calming feverfew, known for its antioxidant properties and for helping to calm skin. So it intensely hydrates sensitive skin while also protecting the skin barrier as well. So yeah, so we got 50 mils there of the Aveeno Oat Gel Moisturiser. And then lastly, we've got a face powder. This is by CRT London. What's its name? Extraordinary Setting Powder Translucent. There's 5 grams here. You're not going to see much. I just wanted to test it out on my hand. It's just completely translucent. Can't see anything, but it's just smoothed my hand. So it's Extraordinary Setting Powder Translucent by CRT London. And there you go, those are all the products inside the August Look Fantastic monthly beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got a Money Mask. It's a hair mask by Colour Wow and Chris Appleton. We got Rituals, the Ritual of Karma 48-hour body cream. We've got Aveeno Calm and Restore, a oat gel moisturiser. We got a Glow Hub, a Buff Blush Glow Up Colour Stick in shade Pinched. We've got Translucent Setting Powder, Extraordinary by CRT London. And lastly, we've got a little pouch and a mirror, a double-sided mirror with Look Fantastic on it. I'm really excited to try the Colour Wow hair mask. Really happy with the Glow Hub as well. That's a gorgeous colour. The mirror is always going to be handy, and the little pouch to put all my jewellery in. Which I already know I love the body cream by Rituals, and the Aveeno as well. Aveena's just such a lovely brand. I think it's a great box this month, but I'd love to hear what you think. As always, please let me know. Is it a box for you? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving it? Or are you thinking, I don't really know? Or you could be like, no, it's not for me. All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.